killer. Anti-Leva. Anti-Leva. See, she's pushing us. She's pushing us. Wayane, Leva. 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 Wayane, Leva. Anti-Leva. She's allowed to
She's allowed to take photos.
It is not allowed. Smuggling. Ramzi.
He's a killer.
Hey, relax. It's more not I'm Salufa. Guys, just express your feelings. Express your feelings.
They are killing our people back home.
Just relax, guys. Hey, have respect for the police. Just relax and we'll express our feelings. So just behave. Hey, they're letting us. Hey, listen, everyone, listen. Hey, listen, brother. Listen, please. Hey, everyone, listen. They're allowing us to stand here so we could express our feelings. Yes. So let's have respect for these officers here. Yes. All right, let's have some respect. Yes. So they don't, push us to other limits. Let's have respect. We are here peacefully to express our feelings. All right, all right, guys. So, please, they are here. They are here to look after us. We are here to look after us.
Standing in front of us.
All right.
These people killed 700 people
in 1 day.
In 30 minutes. In 30 minutes, 700 people.
All right, guys. Hey, guys, well done, guys. This is the way we're gonna do, okay?
They killed 700 in 1 day. We don't want to see them in front of us.
Guys, hey, get together, guys. Hey, come together, everyone.
Come together.
Imban. Wayane, down. 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 Wayane, down.
Tigray.
Down. Wayane, down.
Tigray.
Down.
Tigray.
Down.
Tigray.
Down.
Tigray.
Down.
Ambata, down.
Ambata, down. Ambata, down. Ambata, down. Ambata, down. Tigray, down. Tigray left, down. Tigray left, down. Tigray left, down. Tigray left, down. Hey, get together. Hey, they'll be coming through here. They'll be coming through here. Let's just wait here. Let's wait where the officers are, so they don't do anything stupid. Kota bakakano. Hey, Mustafa, Kota. Stand where the officers are. They'll be coming here. Stand where the officers are. Get together. Hey. Iya, Kota. It's okay. Down, Wayane.
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 Wayane is a killer.
Wayane is a killer.
TPLF is a killer.
TPLF is a killer.
TPLF is a killer.
TPLF is a killer.
Killer.
He's a killer.
Wayane must go.
Wayane must go.
Wayane must go.
Wayane must go.
We need freedom.
We need freedom.
We need freedom.
We need freedom.
Freedom for oppressed people.
Freedom for oppressed people.
We free.
Free, free, free.
Oromia. Ogadenia.
Oromia.
We need justice.
We need justice. We need justice.
These are the killers.
These are the killers.
They drink our blood.
They drink our blood.
They
shouldn't be here.
They shouldn't be
They
here.
shouldn't be here.
They shouldn't be here. Baby killers. Baby killers.
They're killing children.
As you guys can see, there are killers in the room having a party over our bloods, over our brothers, sisters, mothers, and fathers. So we are here with our Ugandan brothers to do this.
30 minutes. In 30 minutes, they killed 700 people in 30 minutes over Ethiopia. They are terrorists. They are terrorizing school children.
These are the real terrorists.
Yes, they
These
are.
guys worse than ISIS.
Yes. Yes, they are.
They are worse than ISIS.
Yep.
These guys are murderers. Wayane! 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 Leva! Wayane! 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 Ata yetidabakala wuta wusha! Wusha! Leva! Khiyasan, wallah I know that dude, man. That's your friend, man. Nah, it's killing me. Wallah. Is he hiding behind there? I know. Ambata, Wayane. Alright guys, hey, let's come together. Okay. Let's get together, guys. Hey. Down, Wayane. Down, Wayane. Down, Wayane. Wayane is killer. Wayane is killer.
We don't want to see killers.
We don't want to see killers.
Down, Wayane.
Down, Wayane.
Down, Wayane.
Down, Wayane.
Wayane is killers.
Wayane is killer.
Wayane is killers.
Wayane is killer.
Down, Wayane.
Down, Wayane.
Down, Wayane.
Down, Wayane.
Down, people.
As you can all see, man, look. They have the cops as they don't get because they're scared. Because they know this is a democracy country where, you know, they won't hurt anybody. This is not Ethiopia, so they have called the police to protect them behind the closed doors. They chickened out. They chickened. They could kill innocent people in Ethiopia because they've got no one to protect them. Here they've got Australian government who's, you know, who looks after everybody's right. Thank you, officers. Well done, guys. Thank you for looking after us. Leba, Wayane.
Sagalee itti dabaletti ilaala moo. Wallahi dimsi itti dabaletti.
Come on, guys. This is nothing, man. Seriously, namni biyya dhiiga ganna qaba.
Amana haasasii godhaa boo. Ramzi.
Just say,
Aye,
going on, please come. No, namni mana jirta.
Warra magaalaa
Warri magaalaa Fardii jirtan yeroo ammaa kana uummata Tigree uummata wayyaanee harka deeffannee jirra. Dhaatamtamaan akka nu dhuftanii nu birmattan isiniin jenna. Down wayyaanee.
Wayane. Gaban. Wayane. 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 Wayane.
You are terrorizing our people.
Leba, anta leba, not kiss bara. Anta sharbuta. Hey, anta leba, not kirena. Anta leba. What do I say, Christina? Now, see, anta. Yes, I got his picture. I got your picture, Mike. I got your picture. I'll see you on the street.
Imalam.
He's trying to aggravate us. Look, he's just swearing. Debbie.
Imalam. Go back. Take number.
I've got his picture. I've got his picture. Anta samet verga. Leba. Are you Tigre? Sai usti bannaat. Sin so gadel. Are you Tigre? Sintas angadel kagar bet isti nigaran. Sintas angadel. Sint naat, sint abat gadel isti nigaran. Sint abat gadel. Naata, naata tmut naala. Naata, I know who you are. Sin so gadel. How many kids you killed? How many kids? How many innocent Oromo? How many? How much people?
Can you move in front of this guy? Sir, can you move this guy in front of us?
How many people?
Never.
Tell me how many innocent kids you killed?
This is Australia.
Tell me how many innocent kids you killed? How many innocent kids you killed? Tell me how many mothers, pregnant mothers? How many have you killed?
Don't worry.
How many have you killed for to get a refugee in Australia? How many kids you killed? You killed my brothers and my sisters back home. You killed my family to be here. You're not a refugee in Australia, buddy. You're not a refugee. You have no right to be in this country.
Killing our kids instead.
You will go back soon.
Leva.
Wayane! Leba! 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 Leba!
Bakun tamat ka surya kita kana nyalan pindirale pasa.
Wayane, leva.
This is Oromo.
Wayane,
Leva!
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 People live.
Leva!
People live.
Leva!
People live.
Leva!
Wayane,
Leva!
Wayane,
Leva!
people live.
Leva!
People live.
Leva! 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 What هلا جان جفاري استناي زيغا استناي انت تشوفها خرات تشوفها ليبا 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 What do you tell your kids? What do you tell your kids?
Going back.
Super fun.
No, we don't give a shit.
No.
Sir,
They have to stop.
sir, sir.
Hey, listen.
Akkana goruun gaariidha. Nama harkaan itti kina.
Ittu gina. Nama harkaan
They are killer.
Akkana goruun geessan sirrii.
Nama harkaan itti gina.
Harkaan nama itti kina.
Nama harkaan itti bu'ina. Kiila. Wayane, killer, killer,
Wayane,
killer,
Wayane,
killer,
Wayane,
killer,
Wayane,
killer,
TPLF,
killer,
Wayane,
killer,
Wayane,
killer,
Wayane,
killer,
Dima, Dima, Dima,
killer, killer, Leva, Leva, terrorist, terrorist, terrorist. Oh, Leva, 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 Leva. Antes se solta deles, se solta deles. Se solta. How many have you killed? They killed us. They killed us. Leva,
Yes, damn it.
Since so get this. Since so get this. How many have you killed? Down, down. Down, down.
down, down, Wayane,
Down, down. 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 Hey, listen, listen, everyone. Hey, listen, everyone. Everyone, listen. Hey, one out again. One out again. One out again. Harkol kaba. Harkol kaba. Harkol kaba. Harkol kaba. Harkol kaba. Show your support.
Jarri kuni akka nu dhoynu barbaadan akka nu harkalaa nu barbaadan raakko beekan kana godhani isin iyyuun akkana godhun gaariidha waan kan inni harkaan namatti dhugina
Wantane, please. Oguta harkol kaba. Harkol kaba. Oguta harkol kaba. Harkol kaba. Thank you. Show your solidarity with your brothers back home. That's it. This is why we're here. To stand for the innocent life that's been lost in Ethiopia. For the innocent life that we lose. All right. We are all here not because they have families, they have blood.
waan har'a arganne kana waan xiqqaa isinitti hin fakkaatin poolisiin hundi bakka kanatti
Abrahaamtu jira.
Nana, kenna. No.
Isa.
Kaduba. Wayane, down. Leva. That's it. Make some noise. Hey, make noise. It's Green Fighting Brothers. Make some noise. Hey, make some noise. Make some noise. Make some noise. Down. You see this out, brother? You see this? All the way, man. All the way. Baby killers. Human killers. Nothing but a killer. They're nothing but killers. Australia government. Australia.
Poolisoota kana akka jiru walitti qabinaa kaas.
See, these are more than 50 police officers here to just look after these damn idiots, killers. These are the killers. These are the killers who are the police are protecting inside. But we, the innocent lives, we're just here to stand down with our people. These are the cops. Please, stop. Stop. See, the police officers are here to protect the killers that's inside because they're scared.
Why here?
Terrorists! They are terrorists, yes. They're not a government. They are terrorists. They are terrorists. They're not a government. Yes. Yes, that's right.
Down, down, Wayane!
Down, down, Wayane.
Down, down, Wayane!
Down, down, Wayane.
Down, down, keep it left!
Down, down, keep it left.
Down, down, keep it left!
Down, down, keep it left.
Down, down, keep it left!
Down, down, keep it left.
Down, down, keep it left!
We demand justice.
We demand justice!
We demand justice.
We demand justice!
We demand justice.
We demand justice!
We demand freedom.
We demand freedom!
We demand justice.
We demand justice!
There's no justice in Ethiopia.
There's no justice in Ethiopia!
There's no justice in Ethiopia.
There's no justice in Ethiopia!
Stop.
Stop!
Stop.
Stop!
Killing.
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 Innocent people. Innocent people. Stop.
Stop!
Killing. Innocent children. كبرهم أنت بصوت قلال لدي أنت بصوت قلال لدي أنت ترسام قداي ناف كنا
itti baay'ee sawaan kana akkamitti gal
أبو أرى أرانتنا أكوان قدّا كنام تدي هذا because جرى بوليسا خنا هندا كيرتن نمشنت مع أوليتو جرى خنا إيجو فدوفه nuti arrantana akka waan kana success taaneetti akka waan kana success taaneetti ilaala ginda wanni dhaamsa qabu warri magaalaa Parziiraatan please baha kota because obboleeyyan keessan obboleettiin haadhaaf abbaan keessan ka biyya jira dhumaa jiranii isin mana jirtanii teessan please kota dhaabada
Be a part of this revolution!
51 Albert Street, North Perth. Alright, off Charles Street. Come and help your brother out. Come and help your family that's dying in Ethiopia by this brutal government. Down, down, Wayane!
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 Down, down, Wayane! Down, down, keep it left!
Down, down, Wayane!
Down, down, Wayane!
Down, down, keep it left!
Down, down, Wayane!
There's our number! You need to go back! No, it's not. Damn, it's not the best one.
You go back to hell!
Mafia! Mafia!
Wayane! 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 Keep it left! Keep it left! Wayane! 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 Down, down, Wayane! Down, down, Wayane! Down, down, to the left! Down, down, Wayane!
Down, down, keep it left!
Down, down, Wayane!
Down, down, keep it left!
Down, down, Wayane!
Down, down, Wayane!
Down, down, to the left!
Down, down, keep it left! እናንተ ቅማላችሁን ትረጉ ሶስት ወር ቀረሻ ቆርቆሮ ጭቃ ድንች አንቺ ቅንጫብ ጸጉርሽን ብጣት ቅንጫብ
ወያኔ
ሌባ
ወያኔ ሌባ
ሆድ ብቻ ጭንቅላት የሌላችሁ አዎ ጭንቅላት ከሆድ በስተቀር ጭንቅላት የሌላችሁ
በቂት ነው የሚያስቡት
Guys, let's have respect for the Osman. Hey, just a little bit back, guys. Come on.
It is Somali.
Nah, it's not Somali, man.
It's not Somali.
It's not Somali. It's not Ugandan.
It's
Can't you see the scar on his face? Can't you see the scar on his face? The terrorist!
Chachus.
Terrorists.
Chachus. Say it to him, Chachus.
Jajus.
Chachus.
Jajus.
Chachus.
Jajus.
Chachus. 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 Chachus.
Abo mal rar kita buya kata kata.
Guyyaan irraa
Wayaan en feetu jirti.
fe'achiisaa jirra.
Safarti keessaa kale jirti.
Galtuu jirti.
Tabiyyaalee qophaa'e.
I'm not afraid. There's democracy here.
Terrorist killers.
There's a
The
way I can
killers.
deal with you. All I have to do is just
You're
get this
part of the
confiscated.
killers.
There's nothing you can do to me, buddy.
Terrorists.
Wallaalee baaraa kompileen isaan godhaa.
That's it.
Hey!
Leva, leva, leva.
Terrorists.
Leva, leva,
Leva,
leva, Wayane,
leva,
Wayane,
leva,
Wayane,
leva,
Tigre, Tigre,
leva,
Wayane,
leva, 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 leva,
Egaa warroonni dhufanillee of duuba deebi'u jiru.
Of duuba deebisiisaa jirra.
Warroota dhufuu jiranillee of duuba deebisu jira. Kan dhufanillee ba'u jiranii. Egaa
Takka
sodaa
takkaan gatuura, takka takkaan adda guura.
egaa sodaa amma hin jedhamne itti dhaga'ameera. Come join us, come join us. This is Australia.
So victory, this is where you support that. Down, down, Wayane! Down, down, Wayane! Down, down, Wayane! Down, down, Timberlake! Down, down, Timberlake! Down, down, Timberlake! Down,
Yeroo ammaa kana poolisa dhibbaa oltu asira.
Nu marsan kinoo akka waan
Kana jechuun sodaattee poolisa waamtee akkana poolisni harkaa jira.
Sodaattee
Qawween nama bulchuu barattee achitti illee asitti illee kuma poolisni illee jirti.
Part of the killers.
Adarau! Adarau! Adarau!
Haga amma hedduu bareedaa deemaa jira. Haga isaan dhaabanii nuti sasiin deemnu. Haga dandeenyu update isin goonaa jechuudha.
Egaa ni hordofaa. Isteetuun.
Akka gaariitti hordofaa. Jara injiree kana as keessaa haga baasnutti jara qincaabii.
Warra qumtaan
Nuti jara OPDOtis akkana goonaa nuuf dabarsaa. Abbaa fareen sodaannu nuti.
mitiitii nyaattee guddatte.
Unnoo injiree qabdu laal injiree irraa fuudhaa jira akka agartanitti ilaalaadha.
You know, these people got no brain.
Waan jettan.
Maal jenna?
Laayifi. Waan jedha waan jedha.
Maal jenna?
Maal irraa argitan waan kana?
Maal irraa agarra? Humna asitti walitti dhufnee fi Facebook irraa rakkaanii poolise.
Terrorists! Deep and left terrorists!
Deep and left terrorists!
Deep and left terrorists!
Deep and left terrorists!
Wayane down down!
Wayane down down!
Wayane down down!
Wayane down down!
Wayane
Down down!
Wayane
Down down!
Deep and left
Down down!
Deep and left
Down down!
Wayane
Down down!
Deep and left
Down down!
Wayane
Down down!
Deep and left
Down down!
Wayane
Down down!
Deep and left
Down down!
All right, continue, guys, continue. Let's go.
Ah, yeah, yeah.
Deep and left
Down down!
Poolisa kan horii
Down
horaa.
down!
Deep and left
Down down!
Wayyaane!
Down down!
Wayyaane!
Down down!
Wayyaane!
Down down!
Wayane
Down down! Down down!
Deep and left
Down down!
Wayane
Down down!
Wayane
Terrorists!
Wayane
Terrorists!
Deep and left
Terrorists!
Deep and left
Terrorists!
Deep and left
Terrorists!
Deep and left
Down down!
Deep and left
As you can see, the killers are having a party inside, you know, over our innocent brothers, lives and sisters back home in Ethiopia. So we are here to not support the Tigray people, the TPLF or the Wayane. They are the killers, so we are here to stop the party. But they are up there partying over our blood. They don't give a shit because none of them are dying. So we are here to let the world know that we start with the Oromo protest, Oromo revolution.
Yes!
Oromo revolution! Oromo revolution! Oromo revolution!
Yes!
That's it. That's it, guys.
TPLF must leave Ethiopia.
TPLF
Must be leave Ethiopia.
TPLF
Terrorists. Kill us. Kill us. Kill us.
I don't know how someone can have a real heart and have party out there while the innocent people in Ethiopia are dying when they have a state of emergency. Isn't that means they're having a problem? Is there something that they could solve? But they don't give a shit. They're having a party out there. Because we disturbing their music, they had to put it out loud. All the neighborhoods are coming out to hear what's happening. We are advocating on behalf of the Oromo people in Ethiopia. So we're letting the whole neighborhood know what's happening. We're letting the whole neighborhood know what's happening.
Thank you.
Brother, what's happening? What's happening? What's happening at the moment? Who's there? Who's having a party inside?
Tigray people.
Why are they having a party? Do you know?
They're having a party, but I don't know. They are bloody idiot and terrorist government.
No. So how many innocent lives they killed in Ethiopia, Oromia, Ogaden, and Amara?
More than every month, more than 2,000-3,000 of people, students, elders, women, and children.
And so today you are here to stand with the innocent life that they lost their life in Ethiopia.
Yes, absolutely.
Thank you, brother. Thank
No
you.
worries.
Thank you, brothers. Abdi Kero, haga amma maaltu deemaa jira mee xiqqisho nuuf ibsi.
Amma arma kanatti kan walitti qabamnee fi jarri warra TPLF paartii addatti qopheessanii birrii walitti guuranii mootummaa Itoophiyaa kana fandi gochuudhaaf arma kana jiru. Warra kana paartii isaanii kana dhaabsuudhaaf arma kana walitti qabamnee jira jechuudha.
Duuba poolisa akkan argutti poolisni hedduudha fakkaataa maaliif dhufan poolisoonni kun?
Poolisoonni kun gama lamaanuun protect gochuudhaaf dhufani. Isaan akka isaan yaadaniif akka waan Itoophiyaa keessa jiraniitti yaaduu danda'u. Arma kana we got freedom to exercise our right.
Galatomi.
Aye, Galatomi.
Hey guys, come on man, make some noise. Make some noise, guys. Ay, come on Fatih. Oguta kada geesi siga.
Wayane hadal.
Wayane hadal, haye. Arra kamil kofne sinni fakkata Abu Fatih.
Yes, milkoofne jechuun poolisiin kun ariinas jiraachuun waan sana mul'isaa jabina keenya mul'isaa akkasiin haala galfattee gammaddee bashannanee fi sodaatti gadhiifnee jirra hamma dandeenyu jechuudha.
Haga dandeenyu sodaachisaa jirra. Mo'achaa jirra.
Milkoofnee
Honnooti.
sagalee keenya
Maseeja kana agarsiisi Jawaar Mohaammed addunyaa agarsiisu. We are fighting.
Nama hedduutu ilaalaa jira kanumaafin sanama adda adda irraa fuudhaa jira. So
kanaaf milkoofneerra ammas hinuma eeynaa agasiin gabbaatutti gammachuu hin argattu isii ol seentu hundammoo salphifnee gariin immoo bira deebi'anii
Thank you.
With our people.
Free Ethiopia!
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 Free Oromia. Free Ogaden. Free Ogaden. Free Oromia. Stop killing. Oromo people. Stop killing. Oromo people. Stop killing. Ogadenian. Stop killing. Ethiopian. Stop killing. No one. Wayane down. Wayane down. People left down. People left down. There's two people left. There's two terrorists.
Ayye namitti baasuu deemanii qaallitti ambaasaadara Itoophiyaadhaa kan Kaambeeraadhaa dhuftan fakkaata. Dhokeessanii baasuu deemanii wajjumaan
kallattii hundaanuu egaa.
uraa qabanii isaa kara dugda duubaatiin unno poolisa nam 50-60 ani ta'a. Qaallitiin innaa gabaabinaa hin mul'attu qaallitiin innaa gabaabinaa. እሷ ቅንጫብ ከፀጉሯ ውስጥ እየለቀመች ነው። እቺ ቅንጫብ ከፀጉሯ ውስጥ እየለቀመች ነው። ልጁ ወንዱ እዛ ጋ የባንዲራ ጭንቅላቱ ላይ ያደረገ እየለቀመላት ነው ይገኛል በአሁኑ ሰዓት። ስንት ቅማል ለቀምክ አባ? አባ ስንት ቅማል ለቀምክ? አተ ስንት ቅማል ለቀምክላት? ከፀጉሯ ውስጥ ነው ሌላ ቦታም ቅማል ትለቅማለህ? ቅማላም Listen, everyone. Please listen, guys. I was wondering how these adults, they've got beard. Some of them, they're old enough. They lie to their kids where they come from. They lie to their kids about how we have democracy in Ethiopia. They lie to their kids that they got freedom. Do we have freedom in Ethiopia? No! Do we have freedom? No! Do we need freedom? When? No! When? No! When? No! Do we need freedom? No! When do we need freedom? No! When do we need freedom? No! I would like to personally ask this man, this gentleman, he's adult, wait. He's grown old man. I would like to ask him, do you lie to your kids as well? Do you lie to your kids? Do you go to sleep at night? Just please tell me, do you go to sleep at night? Hey? Do you have to sleep at night? Okay, I'll ask. Alright, I see you don't speak English, but not Haba, ንገረን እስቲ ቅማልህን እየለቀምክ ማታ ትተኛለህ ወይ? ሰው እየገደልክ ገዳይ አንተ ድመት
ዱመረት አርገነው ከጅራቱ ተይ
ምናልባት አማርኛ ማይሰማም በትግረኛ ጠይቀው እስኪ አታ
አምባሳደርቲን የሮ አማቲቲ አስከሰን ጅርቱ ኩኒ ኮንፈርም ተይ ጅራ ከራ ነሞታ
Isin jiraate baatellee dhiiga uummata keenyaa irra nama taphatu feen.
Walaan dhageeffanne achi booda waan goonu goona. So kana booda yoo ani already itti dubbadhee jiraa jedha namicha akkanatti metti isin arguuf boru ni dandeetti yoo kafeetam taatee naan jettu. Naani gara kennaani nuti mootummaa makanaayyuu recognizing goonu akka mootummaatitti recognizing goonu isaanii waliin naasooyinu wanni nu godhaa jirru as dhufanii asitti ilmaan keenya ajjeesanii saba keenya fixanii nurratti sirbuun dandeettan jedhaan jirra malee isaanii waliin wanni naasooyinu hin jiru isin ammoo galatoomaa ulfaadhaa isin ammoo ulfaadhaa galatoomaa jedheeni kana booda jara kenna waan goonu goone kuni waan guddaa mee kana ofiisara kana hunda laala kana hunda as fiduun kennarra waan guddaa tapha isinitti hin fakkaatin horiitu baya warri kun hundi warratti kafalanii mootummaan sodaatee muddamee kana godhuun kana nutu godhe kanaafu kanumaan obsinee amma asumatti odoo dhaabne gaarii natti fakkaata amma Oromon Duru Nagaya, Ogaden Nagaya. We are very peaceful people. We respect our officers. Hey, put your hands up. Put your hands up in the air. Put your hands up. Hey, put your hands up in the air. Put your hands up. Hey, say thank you to the Thank you. Appreciate it.
Thank you.
We really appreciate your assistance, the officers. We miss this in our country. We cannot get this. We lack this. You did a great job. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. I really appreciate it. Thank you.
We live peacefully. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Deva hundi keessani.